From an Indian astronaut going to space after nearly 4 decades, to the spacecraft unveiling some secrets of the universe and some daring experiments conducted in the space industry. Why not go back to this year and find out some amazing space news that happened throughout the year? While we were busy in our life and scrolling the phone all day, something else was quietly shaping the year. Often not in the newspaper headline nor in the social media feed, but there has been some massive growth and milestone achieved in the space sector. I am Priyanka, and in this video we're going to have a look at this amazing space news of the year 2025. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Let's begin with the first major achievement in the space industry from the beginning of the year. On January 16, 2025, the Indian Space Research Organization achieved one of the most technically challenging milestones in the history. It successfully demonstrated the in-space docking by aligning SDX-01 and SDX-02 while they were orbiting Earth at extremely high speeds. This is a big deal because docking in space where two objects meet and connect while moving about 28,400 kilometers per hour is a key technology for future advanced missions. Before this, only a few superpowers like the United States, Russia, China, and Europe had shown this capability. And after this achievement, just a couple of weeks later, on January 29, 2025, ISRO added another historic achievement by launching the navigation satellite NVS-02 aboard the GSLV F-15 rocket, which marked the 100th mission from Sriharikota in Satish Dhawan Space Center. Together, these two events from the initial months of the year 2025 shows India's growth in the space industry. They are mastering the orbital techniques and also affirming a long-term operational strength with a century of launches. Now let's move to the second one. Now, what if I told you that a spacecraft past flew the planet Mars, not to study about its atmosphere, not to land on it, but to steal some of the gravity from the planet? That is exactly what the European Space Agency's Hera mission did, which is one of the smartest space moves of the recent years. Object of this mission was to study about the asteroid system Didymos. Yes, this is the same asteroid that NASA had deliberately smashed in the year 2022 in the DART mission to test its planetary defense. So, Hera's job here was to go to the planet, find out how much damage has been done, and if the asteroid had moved in its orbit a bit, and also understand humanity and whether in the future we can help save our planet from these dangerous asteroids. But space missions are usually very expensive, the fuel and the cost of launching the mission. But in this mission, the space agency actually used a nice trick, which was the Mars planet itself. The Hera spacecraft flew by very close to the planet Mars, and like a slingshot, it took the gravity from the planet, then changed its direction and speed without burning its own fuel. During this process, it did one of the amazing things. It opened its cameras and took the most amazing picture of the rare moon of the Mars, which is the Deimos. This mission is important because it changes the perspective of the thought, how we can protect our planet from these dangerous asteroids. And Hera is the mission that will give us answers for this. Let's move on to the third topic. In the month of June 2025, a truly historic moment was written in the space history. It was not just by a government space agency alone, but it was a collaboration between all of the space agencies worldwide. And this partnership marked a new era in the human spaceflight. This started with a mission of Axiom Space, who had a bold dream of sending civilians, researchers, scientists, all of them to the International Space Station and opening space for all of the humanity. By collaborating with NASA and using SpaceX's reliable Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft, Axiom Space was building a bridge between the government space programs and the commercial astronauts. Axiom 4 mission is the fourth private astronaut mission to the ISS. This mission is special because the 4 astronauts were from 4 different nationalities. Peggy Whitson from the US, who was the mission commander, Shubhanshu Shukla from India, who flew as a pilot for the mission, Slavoj Wisniewski from Poland as a mission specialist, and Tibor Kapu as a mission specialist from Hungary. Collectively, these 4 astronauts made a historic launch and a successful partnership between the global space agencies. Now, let's move on to the next amazing story. A camera that just doesn't capture Earth's images, but it can see the Earth breathe. This is the story of NISAR, a powerful Earth observation satellite that became fully operational on 7th November 2025 after years of international collaboration between NASA and ISRO. NISAR stands for NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, and it's not just another weather or mapping satellite. Instead of capturing only light, it uses radar waves which can penetrate the clouds, darkness, and even the heavy storms. This means NISAR can see each and every detail on a planet, be it day or night or rain or shine. That too with incredible detail. But why does this matter? It shifts with the tectonic motion and seasonal changes, ocean rise and fall. Ice will melt, forests recede, and cities continue to grow. And until now, we have only had a patchy snapshots of all of these changes. The data captured by these satellites will be used for agricultural purposes to observe the seasonal changes in the future and also to detect and prevent from some major disasters. This satellite will finally have a continuous eye on our planet. Now let's talk about the news that made everyone amazed. In the month of December 2025, something crossed our cosmic doorstep. That something was 3I Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected, passing through our solar system. And this comet was not formed in the solar system, it was formed somewhere else in another star system. Astronomers first spotted 3I Atlas earlier in the year, but its closest approach to the Earth was on 19 December 2025, which was the moment scientists around the world trained their telescopes, space observatories on this rare visitor. Space observatories from NASA, ISRO, and all around the world were hooked onto this object and captured a lot of data from it. But because it traveled so fast, it didn't slow down to orbit the sun, just like a regular comet. It just zooped around and didn't even slow down near the sun's orbit, as most of the comets usually do. This one was different. It showed something like a message has come from afar from some another universe. This visitor was something someone was saying, like, "Oh, yeah, we are here and come find us." It was such an incredible year, and all the astonishing and the breakthroughs that the space industry made, which will be written in the history of space. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button and comment on what other topics you would like to explore in the cosmos. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.